I'm not a mess. I'm not a mess. Need to rest. I'm not a mess. I'm not a mess. Need to rest. I'm not a mess.
What's up, y'all? It's King KB back here with another video. And today, it's not really like a gaming video today. Today I'm just gonna be talking about the new Discord I opened up. Alright, so this Discord is for small YouTubers and really anybody who just wants to come in, share some videos, share information, and just have fun. You know, we got memes. I'm not gonna go into this one. And we got the rules. Yeah. Just don't be disrespectful in the channel. So when you join, just make sure that you register by putting your username right here where the mouse is. Putting your username, and then if you're a YouTuber or not, as an example right here. So yeah, so just make sure you come in and I'll register you and we can have some fun and share our videos. It's for anybody who really wants to, you know, we can help each other grow and come up. Thank you, King KB. I'm out.
Oh yeah.